Hey everyone. If you or someone you love has asthma, you know how tough it can be when breathing just isn't easy. Today, I'm breaking down the everyday triggers that can make asthma worse. And trust me, some of them might surprise you. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about allergens. Dust mites, pet dander pollen. These tiny things float around in our homes and outside, and they're like kryptonite for people with asthma. If you notice your symptoms get worse after cleaning, cuddling with your dog, or even just opening a window during spring, allergens could be the culprit. Next, there's air pollution. I'm talking about car exhaust, smoke, strong odors from cleaning products, perfumes. Breathing in polluted air can irritate your airways and make an asthma attack more likely. If you live in a city or near busy roads, this is something to watch out for. Now, let's not forget about weather. Rapid changes in temperature, cold air, or even a super humid day can tighten your chest and make breathing harder. Ever walked outside on a chilly morning and felt your lungs protest? That's your body reacting to the cold, and it's a common asthma trigger. Exercise is another big one. Yeah, working out is great for your health, but if you have asthma, intense activity can sometimes set off symptoms, especially if you're not warmed up or the air is dry. But don't worry. With the right plan, you can still stay active. Let's talk about emotions. Stress, anxiety, even a good laugh or a cry. Big feelings can actually trigger asthma symptoms. And finally, let's not ignore colds and respiratory infections. When you're sick, your airways get inflamed, making asthma harder to control. That's why it's so important to wash your hands and steer clear of germs when you can. So, what can you do? Identify your triggers, talk to your doctor, and have an action plan. Stay prepared, and asthma doesn't have to control your life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Breathe easy, and I'll see you next time. Here's a quick summary of the everyday triggers that can make asthma worse. Allergens, air pollution, weather changes, exercise, strong emotions, and respiratory infections. Keep these in mind to help manage your asthma every day. Check out these videos for more helpful tips, and don't forget to subscribe for updates on living your healthiest life. Take a deep breath, relax, and remember, you're in control. Thanks for watching. Wishing you clear skies and easy breathing ahead. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor for personalized medical advice.